Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter trigonometry. Before that we should concentrate our minds. So let's do Brahmanad. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. My dear students, last class discussed the allied angle formula, okay, and some applications. In this class we are going to discuss the application of allied angle formula, okay, and the problems from the material textbook, etc. Now let's application of allied angle formula. So one note you have, that is 2n pi plus theta is always what? Is always is equal to theta. How it is? This is suppose thus this is suppose theta, okay. If we rotate this like this is suppose theta. If rotate like this is 2 pi, and this point is what? 2 pi plus theta, okay. So again rotate like this. What is this? This is 4 pi. So this line is what? This is 2 pi plus theta, and this is what? 4 pi plus theta. This angle is. So in general 2n pi plus theta is equal to theta, okay. And now some applications related to this express problems, that is express the following T ratio means trigonometry ratio. The following T ratio, short form of trigonometry ratio, T ratio as trigonometric ratio of some acute angle, as trigonometric ratio of some acute angle. What is T ratio means? What? Trigonometric ratio, short form. So number one is sin 3356 degree, okay, sin 3356 degree. So acute angle means less than 90, greater than 0. This is greater than 90, so no, this is not acute. This can be what? This can be done in three methods: either divide by 90 degree, or divide by 180 degree, or divide by 360 degree. Three methods this can be solved. Suppose divide by 90. First method, divide by 90. So 3356 degree divide by what? 90. 90 divide by 90, okay. So what happens here? That is 3 270 here 5 13 and minus 7, that is 6 65, and this is what? 6. So this is again 7 7 zeros are 0 and what 63. The remainder is what? The remainder is 6 and this is what? 2. We know that is dividend is equal to what? Dividend is equal to what? Quotient into divisor. What? Quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is the division algorithm. So this is equal to the quotient. So we can write here for this. So answer is what? This is answer. So this can be sin 3,356 degree. This can be written as, this is equal to what? Sin, quotient means 37. Quotient means what? This can be what? Sin 3,356 degree. This can be written as, what is quotient? That is, you can write here sin 37 into 90, 37 into 90 degree plus what? 26 degree, plus 26 degree. Okay, so this is equal to what? So this is equal to sin 37, 90 means what? Pi by 2 plus 26 degree. So this is equal to which formula? That is equal to, the formula is sin n pi by 2 plus theta is, this is theta, is equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 by 2 into cos theta. So n is equal to what? 37. So this is minus 1 to the power 37 minus 1 by 2 into cos theta means, this is theta 26 here, cos 26 degree. So this is equal to minus 1 to the power what? 36 by 2. Minus 1 to the power 36 by 2, that is equal to minus 1 to the power 18 into what? Cos 26 degree. Minus 1 to the 18 means what? Plus 1. So this is what? Cos 26 degree. This is acute angle. Clear? This is acute angle. So sin 3356 is equivalent to what? Cos 26 degree. This is one method. Another method we can do, dividing by what? Dividing by 180 or divide by 360. Okay, we can do divide by 180 or divide by 360. This can be done, or this can be done also, dividing by divide by 360 or 180. Okay, this type of problem can be, this can be also solved. This can be done by divided by 180 degree or 360 degree, same answer. Okay, 180 degree or 360 degree. One can divide 180 degree, the answer will be same. One can divide by 360 degree, the answer will be same. And one can divide by 90, the answer will be same. So now, as per your desire, as per you wanting that. Okay, so it is the process of solving this type of question. One more question, second one, This is what? Suppose number 2 question. Sine of minus 375 degree. Okay. So solution, we know sine of minus theta. Sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So apply this concept. Sine of minus 3751 degree is equal to what? Is equal to minus of sine 3751 degree. Okay. So divide by, suppose this can be done, this can be divided by 90 or 360 or 180 as you like. So now we have to, now suppose divide by 360. First one is divided by what? First problem is divided by 90 degree. This process is learned. And now how, if the division is, if the amount is divided by 360, this process let's learn. Okay. So suppose divide by 360 degree. 3751 degree. Suppose divide by 360 degree. Okay. So what happens here? 360 1 ja 360, and this is what? This is 5, and this is 1, and this is 1. Okay. 1 5 1. Now this can be written as what? Now sine of this is minus sine of this can be written as what? 1 into 360 degree plus what? 151 degree. We know what is formula? 2n pi plus theta is equal to what? Theta. So this is n. So this is equal to minus of sine 2 pi plus 151 degree. Okay. So this is equal to minus sine 151 degree. So this can be, what is 90 plus how much? So this is equal to minus of, this is equal to minus of what? Sine 90 degree plus 61 degree. So sine 90 plus theta, sine 90 plus 61, that is sine 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant. This is 90 and 90 plus theta, this is 90 plus theta. So minus of what? Cos 61 degree. Okay. This is answer. Suppose we verify that the amount is divided by 90 and the amount is divided by 360 are equal. Now let's verify. One can do dividing by 90. Okay. So second method, that is, this is second method, or we can divide by 90 degree, or divide by 90 degree, the answer will be same. Okay. So this type of question can be solved by dividing by 90 degree, or what? Or 180 degree or 360 degree. Okay. Some more problems related to this. Now one question express cos of minus 1185 degree as the acute angle, as some acute trigonometric ratio of some acute angle, T ratio means trigonometry ratio of some acute angle, okay. Now solution, we know this is cos of what? Cos of minus 1185 degree. We know that is cos of minus theta is equal to what? Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, we know cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this is equal to cos of 1185 degree. You can divide by 90 degree, you can divide by 180 degree, you can divide by 360 degree. So suppose divide by 90 degree, 1185 divide by 90 suppose. So what happened here? 90 1s are 90, and this is what? 8, and this is 2, and this is 5. That is 93 is 270, and what is here? 5, and this is 115. So this can be written as what? Cos of quotient, that is 13 and pi by 2, 90 degree plus what? 15 degree. So this is equal to what? Cos, this is what? N means 13 pi by 2 plus 15 degree. This is formula for what? That is formula is what? Formula that is cos n pi by 2 plus theta is equal to minus 1 to the power what? Minus 1 to the power n plus 1 by 2 into what? Sin theta. So by this formula we can write here minus 1 to the power n means what? 13 here. So 13 plus 1 by 2 into what? Theta means 15 degrees. So this is sin theta means sin 15 degree. So that is equal to minus 1 to the power 7 sin 15 degree. Minus 1 to the power 7 into sin 15 degree. So minus 1 to the power 7 means minus 1 into sin 15 degree. That is equal to minus sin 15 degree. This is answer. Okay, now another question. Express 1298 degree as trigonometric ratio of some acute angle. Acute angle. Okay, so this is what? Same process. Solution: tan of 1298 degree. Tan of 1298 degree, that is 1298 degree divided by 90. You can divide by 90 or 180 or 360. So 90 ones are 90, this is 9, this is 2, and this is 8. Again what? This is equal to this is 9 and 12, this is what? That is 13 here, 3 here. Okay, 3 here, and this is equal to what? 90 and 94 360, and this is what? 8, and this is 3. So this can be written as what? Tan of 14 into what? 90 degree plus 38 degree. This is very, very important because n is here even. So please attention here. this is 14 into pi by 2 plus 38 degree. Please attention here. If that is even multiple of pi by 2, then cancel. First cancel, then apply the formula. Very, very important. So, attention please. If even into pi by 2, even number into pi by 2, then first cancel, then apply the formula. Very, very important. Okay. So, cancel this. This is equal to what? 7. So, this is equal to what? 10. 7 pi plus 38 degree. What is the formula for tan n pi plus theta? What is formula? Tan n pi plus theta. Tan n pi plus theta is equal to always tan theta. Okay, this is formula. So, this is what? Tan 38 degree. Now, these are the some problems on of the acute angle conversion and some homework for you. That is one question for you. Express. This is homework. Express the following as express the following as homework for you. That is what? Homework, some questions for homework. This is homework. Express the following. Express the following. Express the following. The following. Express the following as trigonometric ratio of some acute angle. As T ratio means trigonometric ratio of some acute angle. Some acute angle. Now the questions are what? Sine of 33561 degree. Number 2, cos of minus 35698 degree. And third one is tan of minus 4563 degree. And 4 is sec of 3492 degree. And 5 is cosec of minus 8539 degree. These questions are homework for you. So, try to solve yourself. Now, some questions from test material. Now, prove that cos square 3 pi by 2 plus theta plus sin square 3 pi by 2 minus theta minus cot 3 pi by 2 plus theta into cot 3 pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sec square theta. Okay. So, left hand side, that is cos square 3 pi by 2 plus theta plus sin square 3 pi by 2 plus theta minus theta and minus cot 3 pi by 2 plus theta into cot 3 pi by 2 minus theta. This is the left hand side. So, we know that is what? 3 pi by 2 plus theta. 3 pi by 2 plus theta here. This is what? Total is 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 plus theta lies in fourth quadrant, and 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in third quadrant. So this is what? That is fourth quadrant. So plus, since it is square, so all are plus, positive. So this is pi by 2 here. So sin square theta, and this is what? Then this is cos square theta. Cos square theta, sin square 90 minus 3 pi by 2 minus theta, that is what? Cos square theta. And this is cot 3 pi by 2 3 plus theta. In fourth quadrant cot is negative, so this is minus tan theta. Minus tan theta कौन पाई ना 3 pi by 2 plus theta होच fourth quadrant, तो cot अच्छ pi by 2 से tan change होबो, but according to Estes rule, so it is negative. So again 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in third quadrant, so this is plus, so tan theta. Okay, so this is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta. This is RHS. Clear? Now another question. So left hand side, this is question, prove that sin q 180 degree plus a into tan 360 degree minus a into sec square 180 degree minus a divided by cos square 90 degree plus a into cos square a into sin 180 degree minus a is equal to what? Tan qa. This is question. So left hand side, that is sin q 180 degree plus a into tan 360 degree minus a into sec square 180 degree minus a whole divided by cos square 90 degree plus a into cosec square a into sin 180 degree minus a. By formula, what is sin 180 minus 180 degree plus a? That is minus sin a. So minus sin a whole cube. And what is this? Tan 360 minus a. 360 minus a means lies in fourth quadrant. 360 minus a lies in fourth quadrant. So this is what? This is minus tan a. And sec square 180 minus a, that is what? Minus cos square a. Okay. Sorry, minus sec square a whole square. That is sec a whole square, that is plus sec square a. We can write here plus sec square a divided by, this is sin square a, and this is cos square a, and this is what? Sin 180 minus a, this is sin a. So this is what? Minus sin qa into minus plus. So sin qa into what? Tan a into sec square a divided by this is sin qa into what? Cosec square a. So sin qa goes cancel, then what is here? Tan a, and what is cos square sec square 1 means 1 by cos square a, and what is here? This is 1 by sin square a. Okay, this is 1 by sin square a. So this is equal to what? This is equal to tan a into what? Sin square a by cos square a. So this is equal to tan a into tan square a. So final is what? Tan qa is equal to right hand side. This is one question. Now another question. This is left hand side, sec 3 pi by 2 minus theta into sec pi by 2 minus theta tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta into tan pi by 2 plus theta. This is left hand side. Okay, 3 pi by 2, this is what? This is 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in third quadrant, so sec is negative. So minus here cosec theta, pi by 2 form. Pi by 2 minus theta lies in first quadrant, all positive. So this is cosec theta Okay, 3 pi by 2 minus theta lies in third quadrant, 10 is positive, so this is cot theta, and 10 pi by 2, this is pi by 2 plus theta lies in second quadrant, so this is negative, so this is minus cot theta plus 1 here. Okay, minus cot theta then plus 1. So this is what? This is equal to minus cos square theta plus cot square theta plus 1. So 1 plus cot square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta. So minus cos square theta, then 1 plus cot square theta is equal to what? Cos square theta. So this goes cancel, this is equal to 0. Okay, now another question. Prove that if ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, then prove that cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D equal to 0. Cyclic quadrilateral. What is cyclic quadrilateral? This is circle and this is the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means figure having 4 sides. The figure having 4 sides is called quadrilateral. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. This is cyclic quadrilateral. So this plus this is equal to 180 degree. Given solution, given A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. Now A plus B plus C plus D, we have to prove cos A plus cos B plus cos D is equal to 0. That is what? Sum of opposite angle is 180 degree. That is A plus what? C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, and that is A equal to what? 180 minus C degree. C. Similarly, B plus D is equal to 180 degree. That implies what? That implies B is equal to 180 degree minus what? Minus D. Now left hand side cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D, that is equal to cos 180 degree minus C plus cos 180 degree minus D, and this is cos C plus cos D. So cos 180 minus C minus cos C and minus cos D plus cos C plus cos D. So minus cos C plus cos goes cancel, this goes cancel, this is equal to 0. Hence proved. Okay, so right hand side. Now one more another question. Then in triangle FC prove that sin B plus C plus sin C plus S plus sin A plus B plus sin A plus B is equal to sin A equal plus sin B plus sin C. So solution is what? Given ABC is a triangle. That implies what? A plus B plus C is equal to what? 180 degree. So C plus A means what? Left hand side. What is sin B plus C plus sin C plus A plus sin A plus B. That is sin B plus C means what? Sin 180 degree minus A. B plus C equal to 180 minus A. Sin C means what? 180 degree minus B. And sin what? 180 degree minus C. So this is equal to what? Sin A plus sin B plus sin C. This is RHS. Now another question. Prove that 10 pi by 20 into 10, 3 pi by 20 into 10, 5 pi by 20 into 10, 7 pi by 20 into 10, 9 pi by 20 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is equal to 1. Left hand side solution 10 pi by 20 into what? 10 3 pi by 20 into 10 5 pi by 20 into 10 7 pi by 20 into 10 9 pi by 20. Okay, what is pi by 20? Pi by 20 means what? Pi by 20 means 180 degree by 20, that is 9 degree. Okay, so pi by 20 means 9 degree. So put here 10 9 degree into 10 what? 10 9 into 3 27 degree into 10 45 degree into 10 63 degree into 10 81 degree. So this is equal to what? 10 9 degree into 10 27 degree 10 45 1 and 10, this is 90 minus 27 degree and this is 10 90 minus 9 degree. So this is equal to 10 9 degree into 10 27 degree into what? Cot 27 degree into cot 9 degree. So this is equal to cot 9 into 10 9 1 10 9 into cot 9, this is 1 and 10 27 into cot 27, this is 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. This is the proof of the first. Now another question. Another question. Another question. Write the value of sin square 1 degree plus sin square 2 degree plus sin square 3 degree dot sin square 89 degree. So solution, this is sin square 1 degree plus sin square 2 degree plus sin square what? 3 degree plus dot dot up to sin square what? 45 degree also there and dot dot up to what? Sin square 87 degree, sin square 88 degree. Okay, this is sin square, suppose this is 45 dot dot, this is sin square what? 45 degree plus dot dot up to sin square what? 87 degree plus sin square 88 degree and this is sin square 89 degree. Okay, so sum should be 90 degree. 1 plus what? 89. So this is equal to sin square 1 degree plus sin square what? 89 degree, one pair. Similarly sin square 2 degree plus sin square 89, another pair. Similarly sin square 3 degree plus sin square 87 degree, another pair. Dot dot, but here sin square 45, suppose sin square what? Sin square 44 plus what? Sin square 46 is another point and remaining here sin square what? Sin square 45 degree. How many number of pairs here? There are what? 89, but sin square 45 is excluded here. So 88 divided by 2, that is 44 pairs, such pairs. So this is equal to what? Sin square 1, sin 89 is equal to cos dash. Sin 89 is equal to sin 90 minus 1, that is cos 1. So cos square, this is cos square 1. This is sin square 2 and this is cos square 2. This is sin square 3 plus cos square 3 degree. So this is up to plus dot dot up to sin square 44 plus cos square 44 degree. Now sin what? Sin square 45 plus what? Sin square 45 degree here. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 sin square, this is sin square theta plus cos, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to what? Up to 44 terms, then plus what? Sin square 45 means 1 by root 2 whole square. So 144 plus what? 1 by 2, that is 89 by 2. This is answer. Now another question. Now problem based on the maximum value and minimum value. Okay, in previous class we discussed the domain and range. Okay, discuss the domain range. What is range of sin theta? Sin theta lies between, okay, sin theta lies between what? -1 to +1. That is problems related the range, that is, or what? Maximum and minimum value. Problems based on related the range and maximum minimum. We know sin theta less than -1 to +1. Okay, जदि स्क्वायर करदबा कौन हो? जदि स्क्वायर करवा sin square theta lies between what? 0 to 1. Important. This is important. Okay, this is important. And same thing, -1 cos theta less than 1 and square है 0 to what? Cos square theta less than 1. ओके, एटा समस्त डाउट हो स्क्वायर कल तो -1 रो स्क्वायर +1 है, एटा तो 1 रहा, ये 0 केमती है? छोटिया एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स सी सम एग्जाम्पल्स. सपोज x is equal to, suppose you can say x is equal to -1 by 2 -1 by 3 -1 by 4, then 0, then what? +1 by 2 and +1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Suppose what is here maximum, what is minimum value? What is minimum value? You can say, what is minimum value? -1 by 2 is minimum. Here minimum, that is x lies between what? -1 by 2 to what? This is example to understand this concept. Suppose x is equal to -1 by 2 1 by -1 by 3 0 1 by 2. So what is minimum value? That is x value of x is -1 by 2 and maximum value. And what is maximum value? This is minimum value, and this is minimum value is -1 by 2 and maximum value is what? Maximum value is 1 by 2. x square is equal to what? X square is equal to, स्क्वायर कर दियो तो कौन हो बेटी? 1 by 4 1 by 9 1 by 16 0 1 by 4 1 by 9 1 by 16. जेते सबू नेगेटिव थिला पॉजिटिव हो गला तो मिनिमम की हबो 0 ना? ठीक अच्छे से -1 टू +1 भितर जिते नंबर थी सब कौन है प्लस हो गला तो मिनिमम हम 0. क्लियर तो स्क्वायर हेले नेगेटिव नंबर सब पॉजिटिव होती. सो इन दैट केस मिनिमम इज 0 एंड मैक्सिमम इज 1. So in general ଗୋଟେ general formula ରଖି ଦଉଛି. In general, that is in general sin n theta or cos n theta lies between -1 to +1 if n is odd integer, odd natural number. This is for odd. Okay, and cos n theta, sin n theta or cos n theta lies between 1, that is 0 less than sin n theta or cos n theta if n is even natural number. Clear? Now some questions based on this. What is the find the minimum and maximum value, or maximum value or minimum value of the following. Now to find the minimum and maximum value of what is the minimum and maximum value, or we can say that is question will be what is the range of the following. Same question, same process. Number one, 3 plus 4 sin theta. What is the range of this? So we know solution is what? Solution is, we know sin theta lies between, not power, sin theta lies between -1 to +1. तो 4 दरकार अच्छी, 4 एंड मल्टीप्लाई करो, multiplied by 4. So -4 less than equal to 4 sin theta less than equal to 4. Then 3 add है 3 add करो, add 3. So add 3, that implies -4 plus 3, 4 sin theta plus what? 3 plus 4 sin theta, 4 sin theta plus less than equal to 4 plus 3. So this is equal to what? -1 and less than equal to 3 plus 4 sin theta less than equal to 7. So minimum value is equal to -1, maximum value is equal to what? 7. Maximum value is 7. Or range is equal to what? Range is equal to what? -1,7. ये है आमर प्रोसेस अनुसार. एक्चुअली सर्टकट रे कले कौन कर मिनिमम वैल्यू मैक्सिमम वैल्यू पुट कर दे हो. तो कौन अच्छे 3 प्लस सर्टकट कौन करना 3 plus 4 sin theta. ओके, तो यार रेंज टा पकई दियो केता 3 plus 4 into what? दिस इज -1 to +1. थरे -1 नहीं जो for -1 that is 3 minus 4 is equal to what? -1. And for what? For 1, so this is 3 plus 4, that is 7. This is minimum and this is maximum. This is shortcut method. Okay, so range is what? Range is equal to -1 to 7. This is range. Now some more questions. This is process, actual process, and this is shortcut method. Now some more questions. suppose you are given 2 minus 3 sin square theta. What is, find the minimum and maximum value. Find the, what is the minimum and maximum value of 2 minus 3 sin square theta. Same concept, solution. Okay. We know even power sin square theta lies between 0 to 1. Even power thile sin cos 0 to 1 hobo, odd power thile minus 1 to plus 1 hobo. तो ए साइड रे कौन माइनस 3 मल्टीप्लाई होची, सो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय माइनस 3. सो माइनस 3 मल्टीप्लाई नेगेटिव नंबर मल्टीप्लाई कले साइन चेंज हो, मन रख. नेगेटिव नंबर जब इन इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई कर साइन चेंज हो, सिंबल चेंज हो. सो 0 इंटू व्हाट माइनस 3, 0 ग्रेटर देन माइनस 3 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा ग्रेटर देन माइनस 3. एबे कौन रिक्वायरमेंट अच्छी 2 ऐड कर, ऐड 2 तो केते आसीबो, ऐड 2 दैट इंप्लाइज 2 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू व्हाट 2 minus 3 sin square theta greater than equal to 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. Okay, now reverse, that is minus 1 less than 2 minus 3 sin square theta less than equal to 2. So this is minimum value. Minimum value is minus 1. Maximum value is what? Maximum value is 2. And range is equal to what? Range is equal to minus 1 comma 2. Range is equal to what? Minus 1 comma 2. Okay, similarly other questions. What is minimum value of, that is sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta plus what 7. What is the minimum value of sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta plus 7? Solution is, that is sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta plus 7. That implies we can get here, that is sin square theta means what? 1 minus cos square theta plus 3 cos square theta plus 7. That is equal to what? 1 plus 7, that is 8 plus 2 cos square theta. 8 plus 2 cos square theta. Reduce, if this is a sin square theta plus b cos square theta, we have to reduce. Note, if the function is a sin square theta plus b cos square theta form, then reduce in terms of sin square or cos square. Reduce in terms of sin square theta or cos square theta first. So this is sin square theta, cos square theta. Now it is reduced in terms of cos square theta. Now it is reduced into cos square theta. We know this is the solution. That is, suppose this is y, say this is y. Now we know cos square theta lies between what? Cos square theta even power, so 0 to 1, even power 0 to 1. 2 requires, so multiplied by 2, 0 less than 2 cos square theta less than equal to 2. 8 plus about 8 less than equal to 8 plus 2 cos square theta, 8 plus 2, that is 10. So minimum value is 8, maximum value is 10. So range is what? Range is equal to 8 comma 10. Range is equal to 8 comma 10. If the function is sin square theta plus cos square theta, a sin square theta plus b cos square theta form, or this is C, then first we have to reduce either sin square theta form or cos square theta form. So this is question is the sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta plus 7. Now reduce either in terms of sin square or cos square as you desired. Okay, so I reduce here in terms of what? Cos square theta. We know cos square theta lies between 0 to 1. If we know even power of sin theta or cos theta lies between 0 to 1 and odd power of cos theta sin theta lies between minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, so according to that concept, this is 0 less than cos square theta less than equal to 1 multiplied by 2, then add by 2, add by 8, this is 8 and this is what? Y, and this is lies between 8 to 10, this is range. Okay, these are the some concept of the maximum value and minimum value of the trigonometric function. Okay, now in next class we will discuss some more concept, other concept and some problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.